Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to log in to your Wix account. This is Wix.com website, and to log in to my Wix account, click on this login link. In this login page, fill in your email address here and click on continue with email. Because I faced issues with signing up to Wix the first time using my this email address manually, I've created my Wix account using my Google account, which is this email address. So now they are asking me to continue with my Google account to log in to Wix. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver a Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. They are now loading my dashboard, and this is how to log in to your Wix account. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.